Y'all was clutching y'all purses before. This gonna be the time that you need to clutch them. Y'all was doing all that shit at the wrong time. But this is y'all time to show out. Show out then. I ain't gonna be mad at you.
All I know is if they stop my food stamps, me and my man will be at the grocery store walking out with two big ass carts. And ain't bet nobody better do nothing because my man coming hard behind me and it only take him one time to punch your ass.
Yeah, I told y'all, with or without EBT, me and mine gonna eat.
Clock it. Of course we gonna eat.
On who? On cuz now. We gonna eat.
People, my people. I wish we stopped crying about this motherfucking EBT card. At the end of the day, they trying to see is we gonna stick together. And we are gonna stick together. Fucking November 3rd at 6:30, we're going to Walmart. We're going to fucking Walmart. And at 7:30, we're gonna walk out of Walmart with our fucking buggies. Okay? The thing is, they can catch everybody. You feel me? All you gotta do is run, Forrest, run. Okay? We have to stick to fucking together. It don't even matter. As long as we gonna have everything we need for Thanksgiving, that's all that fucking matters, bitch. Run, Forrest, run. Remember, put it in your calendar. November 3rd, 6:30 to 7:30. You better be running out that motherfucking.
Fellas, November 1st is almost here, fellas. The price of pussy about to go down, motherfucker. The price of pussy is going down. You bitches can't sell y'all food stamps no more to get y'all hair done and get them fake ass eyelashes, bitch. You gonna have to come back to old natural now, bitch. It's gonna be a lot of you bitches looking raggedy now, bitch. Huh? Fellas, you remember you used to pay for that pussy, not no more. All you gotta do is get a bag full of cheeseburgers now. Them bitches, the motherfuckers hungry. They hungry. Shit about to get crazy out here. Motherfuckers about to start scrambling. You see them. They running in the stores, robbing stores. And, I mean, man, we going to tough times, man. All because they cutting these programs, man. They tired of motherfuckers leeching. You know what I mean? It's time to hold your own weight now. You know what I mean? Now we about to see what you worth now. Now we about to see your motherfucking full potential now, bitch. Huh? Huh? What you gonna do now, bitch? You can't sell them stamps to get your motherfucking weave done now, bitch. It's gonna be some raggedy looking bitches out here in a minute. Pay attention.